Some year 10 notes. It's chapter 1 and it's bid, mass and fractions. So we have this one here and we need to use the rules of BIDMAS to work it out. So we have a multiply sign here, we have an add sign here, so we need to do this calculation here first. So how do we multiply this with a mixed number? I'm going to make this one top heavy, and then I'm going to times top by top, bottom by bottom after I see if anything's going to cancel out. So let's write this one out again. It's 1 1/3 plus 2/7 times by 2 by 6, which is 12, plus 5, which is 17. I'm not liking the look of this one already, but that's okay. So does anything cancel? We have a 2 here, divide by 2, divide by 2. So I now can multiply these fractions. So I have 1 1/3 plus 1 times 17 is 17, 7 times 3, then it's 21. We now need to add our two fractions, so the way I'm going to do it is to make this one top heavy. So it's 4 over 3, 1 times 3 plus 1, plus 17 over 21. We need to change them both with the same denominator because we're adding a fraction, so we're going to change this into 21 times top and bottom, of course, by 7, times this by 7, 28, times this by 7, 21, plus 17 over 21. If I add those together, I get, I think it's 45. 45 over 21. That's the same as 2. Sorry, you can't see here. That's the same as 2. 2 21s are 42, so it's 2 and 3 over 21, which is the same as 2 and 1/7. A bit more work required then for the second one, so I think most people see the first thing we need to do then is the brackets. I'm just going to do this over to the side. This is maybe a bit rogue, but hopefully you'll forgive me. So I want to do 2/3 plus 1/5. Common denominator is going to be 15, times in top and bottom by 5, so that'll be 10 over 15, times in top and bottom by 3, which is 3 over 15, and that gives me 13 over 15. So here's where I am. I've worked out this wee bit in the bracket, and then I have a 3/7 here, and then I have a 5/6 here. So this effectively means we just needed this times this times this, so I can multiply these three things into one thing. So this equals 13 over 15 multiplied by 3 over 7 multiplied by 5 over 6, take away 2 over 21. So what cancels? The 5 and the 15 cancel. That will go 3 times and 1 time, and we'll have a 3 and a 3. That goes 1 time, and that goes 1 time. So 13 times 1 gives me 13. 1 times 7 times 6 gives me 42, which is good news. And we end up then with that. So we need a common denominator then. The lowest common denominator is going to be 42. It's worked out very nicely for us. So it's 13 over 42. Take away times top and bottom by 2. 4 over 42. I take those away, and I get 9 over 42. And that then gives me 3 over 14.